Welcome to the FinTickAI Market Analysis for March 4th, 2026. The Nifty 50 closed at 24,480.50, and the Bank Nifty closed at 58,774.05. The Nifty 50 experienced a severe capitulation, closing at a 6-month low. This was driven by macro headwinds, currency and energy shocks, and a decisive failure to reclaim 24,600, establishing a bearish control. Bullish technical signals include DII accumulation injecting critical liquidity. Oversold oscillators are flagging extreme oversold conditions. Sectoral divergence shows the IT sector decoupling with a positive bias. Bearish and neutral signals include a bearish MACD, confirming an active liquidation cycle, and bearish trend strength where downward momentum is overwhelming. Volatility expanded, triggering automated degrossing. The neutral volume profile suggests localized friction against further drops. Probabilities indicate a 60% chance for a bearish scenario, 25% for a sideways trend, and only 15% for a bullish outcome. Today's news had a significant bearish impact. The Middle East conflict widened, the Indian rupee collapsed to a record low, and the KOSPI crash accelerated Asian contagion risk. The overall news classification is bearish. The Bank Nifty experienced institutional distribution, plummeting to 58,774.05. A liquidity squeeze resulted from the dual threats of INR devaluation and surging crude oil prices. Structural fracture was confirmed by the breach of the 100-day EMA. Technical signals for Bank Nifty include a bullish signal from the stochastic RSI, indicating oversold exhaustion. The bearish signal is a cavernous MACD and low bull/bear power, showing severe trend compromise. A neutral signal suggests intraday consolidation in the 58,700 to 59,000 range. To elaborate, the stochastic RSI is flatlined at 0.00. The bearish MACD is at minus 552.79, signaling a total absence of buy-side liquidity. The index is hovering near a high timeframe demand cluster. The Bank Nifty is also assessed with a high-confidence bearish bias. Immediate resistance is 60,400, and support is 58,700. The breakdown level is 58,400, and the recovery trigger is 61,000. The probability of a bearish scenario is 70%. News impacting the Bank Nifty includes intense inflationary headwinds threatening liquidity, rate cut delays due to the rupee plunge and crude spike, and credit suppression. Also, NPA risks are rising, driving a systemic derating. The overall news classification is bearish. The top gainers with price and volume breakouts include Balrampur Chini Mill, Chennai Petroleum Company, and Poly Medicure Limited, showing strong positive changes across different sectors. The top losers, experiencing a heavy sell-off, were primarily in the oil and gas, automobile, logistics, and auto ancillary sectors, with significant drops and breaches of key support levels or 52-week lows. Stocks showing strength near their 52-week high include Sai Life Science, Lupin Limited, and Great Eastern Shipping. Vardman Textiles and Astral Limited are also consolidating with structural stability. Other stocks near their 52-week low due to weakness are the Bombay Burma Trading, Godrej Industries Limited, and 5-Star Business Finance, all experiencing intense distribution or selling pressure. Trending stocks of the day include Infosys Limited, showing bullish sector outperformance. Bearish trends were seen in IRFC, Dixon Technologies, Tata Steel, and Larsen & Toubro, driven by capitulation, breakdowns, and devaluation. Major macroeconomic headwinds include the Middle East kinetic theater, the South Korean KOSPI crash, and the 2026 OECD Global Debt Report, all contributing to global market uncertainty and risk. This concludes our FinTickAI Market Analysis for March 4th, 2026. Thank you for watching this video.